In this video we're reviewing Cobra Trading, a professional-grade brokerage platform built for active equity and options traders. It's known for fast executions, advanced tools, and direct market access. But let's break down what it really offers before you dive in. Cobra Trading gives you direct routing to 70-plus markets, meaning faster trade execution and more control, a big plus for day traders. It also offers competitive margin rates around 5%, solid short locate options, and professional platforms like Dash Trader Pro and Sterling Trader. High-volume traders can even get software fees waived, which adds to its appeal. However, Cobra isn't ideal for beginners. The minimum deposit is high, and the fee structure suits experienced high-frequency traders. It's also not a commission-free platform, and mobile access is limited compared to mainstream brokers. For everyday or international investors, it may feel too complex and costly. Overall, Cobra Trading excels for serious day traders who value precision and speed, but it's not designed for casual investors. Subscribe for more honest, data-driven reviews and smarter trading insights.